Hi, my name's Aaliyah and my topic was on overhunting. Overhunting can be defined as the practice of hunting animals at unsustainable levels, resulting in a harmful decrease in the population of a species. Overhunting can lead species into endangerment or even extinction, and this causes disruption of many ecosystems. Today, as I discuss overhunting, I decided that I would focus primarily on reptiles as I own several myself. In these videos, you will see my iguana, who is a clubtail iguana, and my leopard gecko. In the case of iguanas, you may not originally think that they do much for the environment, but they actually play a vital role in their ecosystems. They act as seed dispersers and they regulate plant growth because they are herbivores. In the case of my iguana, he also eats insects. The problem is that oftentimes iguanas are taken from their environment. They're hunted not only for meat, but also to be sold into the pet trade. With my iguana being a clubtail, they are heavily sold into the pet trade because they can't really be bred in captivity. The damage caused by these iguanas being hunted for the pet trade means that the ecosystems are suffering. These habitats face other larger species not having enough food, and also a lack of plants growing because their seeds are not being distributed. With there only being about 2,000 of clubtail iguanas left in the wild, it is safe to say that within our lifetime, they very likely could go extinct. Of course, they do face issues such as predators within their own environment. Predators such as this one. Yep. Current efforts to protect these species include strengthened legislation and law enforcement, but mainly educating the public towards the issues ongoing with the pet trade and to really not adopt these animals from the pet trade. And here we have my gecko. She is a leopard gecko. Geckos are known in the environment to help control insect populations. Steps that the average person can take to combat overhunting include supporting conservation efforts and avoid purchasing animals that are endangered species, and especially if you don't know where they're coming from. My iguana was a rescue, but if you see them at pet stores, it is almost certain that they have been stolen from the wild. The average person really can spread awareness about this issue and encourage ethical hunting practices to help reduce demand and protect the populations of our wildlife. And that's everything. Thank you.